The brain is an energy-intensive organ, using around 20% of the body's calories, so it needs plenty of good fuel to maintain memory and concentration throughout the day. Just as there is no magic pills to prevent cognitive decline, no single almighty brain food can ensure a sharp brain as you age. Nutritionists emphasize that the food you eat plays a role in keeping your brain healthy and can improve specific mental tasks, such as memorization and concentration. This video will share with you a list of brain food that helps improve your memory and concentration. Some may also reduce the risk of stroke and age-related neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Incorporating these foods into a healthy diet on a regular basis can improve the health of your brain, which could translate into better mental function. Number 1. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are rich in compounds called glucosinolates, great in boosting brain power and memory. When the body breaks these down, they produce isothiocyanates. Isothiocyanate reduce oxidative stress and lower the risk of neurodegenerative disease. These leafy greens include kale, spinach, collards, broccoli. Leafy greens are rich in brain-healthy nutrients like vitamin K, lutein, folate, and beta-carotene. Researchers suggest these plant-based foods may help slow cognitive decline. Number 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are an abundant source of omega-3 fatty acid, healthy unsaturated fat that has been linked to lower blood level of beta-amyloid, the protein that forms damaging clumps in the brain of people with Alzheimer's disease. Try to eat fish at least twice a week. Examples of oily fish that contains high level of omega-3 include salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring, sardines. If you're not a fan of fish, ask your doctor about taking omega-3 supplements or use terrestrial omega-3 sources such as flax seeds, avocados, and walnuts. These are alternative options for boosting memory. Number 3. Berries. Researchers show that flavonoids, the natural plant pigment that give berries their brilliant hues, also help improve brain and memory. In a 2012 study published by the Annals of Neurology, researchers at Harvard's Brigham and Women's Hospital found that women who consume 2 or more servings of strawberries and blueberries each week delayed memory decline by up to 2.5 years. Antioxidant-rich berries that can boost brain health include strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, blackcurrant, mulberries. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. A 2014 study found that a higher overall nut intake was linked to better brain function in older age. Nuts and seeds are also rich sources of antioxidant, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acid, which protects cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. As a person ages, their brain may be exposed to this form of oxidative stress, and vitamin E may therefore support brain health in older age. A 2014 review shows that vitamin E may also contribute to improved cognition, memory, and reduce risk of Alzheimer's disease. The nuts and seeds with the highest amounts of vitamin E include peanut, sunflower seeds, almonds, hazelnuts, walnuts. Number 5. Whole grains. Eating whole grains is another way to benefit from the effects of vitamin E, with these grains being a good source of the vitamin. Whole grain foods include brown rice, barley, bulgur wheat, oatmeal, whole grain bread, and whole grain pasta. Number 6. Tea and coffee. The caffeine in your morning cup of coffee or tea might offer more than just a short-term concentration boost. In a 2014 study published in the Journal of Nutrition, participants with higher caffeine consumption scored better on tests of mental function. Caffeine might also help solidify new memories, according to other researchers. Investigators at Johns Hopkins University asked participants to study a series of images and then take either a placebo or a 200 mg caffeine tablet. More members of the caffeine group were able to correctly identify the images on the following day. Coffee is also a source of antioxidants, which may support brain health as a person gets older. One study has linked lifelong coffee consumption with the reduced risk of cognitive decline, stroke, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease. Number 7. Turmeric. Turmeric has generated a lot of buzz recently. This deep yellow spice is a key ingredient in curry powder and has a number of benefits for the brain. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning that it can directly enter the brain and benefit the cells there, such as help to improve memory in people with Alzheimer's, boost serotonin and dopamine, which both improve your mood, helps delay age-related mental decline. Curcumin boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a type of growth hormone that helps brain cells grow. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Number 8. Supplements for brain function. In addition to making dietary changes, some people consider taking supplements to improve their brain function. Taking vitamin B, C, or E, beta-carotene, or magnesium may improve brain function if a person has a deficiency in any of them. If a person does not have a deficiency, these supplements are unlikely to improve mental performance. Researchers suggest that taking ginseng may improve this performance. However, further studies are needed before doctors can recommend ginseng to enhance brain function. As you can see, many foods can help keep your brain healthy. You can help support brain health and boost alertness, memory, and mood by including these foods in your daily diet. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel.